Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of cookware with what we believe is the best multi-purpose cooking pan out there, the AVACRAFT Multipurpose Sauce Pan. This saucepan isn't just any ordinary kitchen tool. It's designed to elevate your cooking experience with its thoughtful features and impeccable quality. Let's dive into what makes this pan stand out from the rest. First up, let's talk about the material. Crafted from 18/10 food-grade stainless steel, this pan is built to last. With a special matte finish inside to prevent scratches and a mirror finish outside for that sleek look, it's as beautiful as it is durable. But what really sets this pan apart is its versatility. Equipped with a shatterproof glass cover featuring straining holes on both sides, say goodbye to the hassle of using colanders. Whether you're cooking pasta, noodles, or vegetables, this pan has you covered. And let's not forget about the pour spouts on both sides of the rim, catering to both right and left-handed individuals. Plus, with a long and large ergonomic handle designed for a firm grip, you can say goodbye to those kitchen mishaps. Now, let's talk about heat distribution. With its specially constructed 5-ply stainless steel base, heat spots are a thing of the past. This pan ensures even heat distribution, saving you energy and providing consistent cooking results every time. Cleaning up is a breeze with this pan. Made only with high-quality materials, it's resistant to rust, stains, and corrosion. Plus, it's dishwasher and refrigerator safe, making maintenance a hassle-free experience. Last but not least, let's talk about value. Not only does this pan deliver top-notch performance, but it also makes for the perfect gift for your loved ones. Whether it's a housewarming, wedding, or holiday gift, it's sure to impress. So there you have it, folks. The AVACRAFT Multipurpose Sauce Pan is a game-changer in the kitchen, offering unmatched quality, versatility, and value. If you're looking to elevate your cooking experience, look no further. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!